In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this 2D drawing in Solidworks. Now I have this 3D model open in Solidworks. The first thing I can do is to click here, New, or click on this arrow. It will give you three choices. You can choose either New or Make Drawings from Parts. I'm going to use this New. And now I have three options. I can click on Drawing and OK. Now I can choose this paper size. I'm going to use the first one, A, landscape, the ANSI standard, which is the American National Standards Institute. Okay. Now because I had that file opened, that's why it's already shown in here. If not, if you don't have that open before, you can browse it and find the file. Now because it's already open, so I can click on Next. And I can place this file, the first view in here. So I'm going to place that. Now this view compared to that needs to be adjusted. So before I place more views, I'm going to fix that orientation first. So okay. Now I click on the file, the view, right click. I can choose the rotation here. Rotate view. And you can rotate, let's see if this 90 works. Apply. No, actually I need to have negative 90, not 90. So that will be the view in here. Apply. Oh, close. And then now I can create more views from this view. So I can project the views. Project. I click here and click up in here. And then click on the side. I click that and check. Now I can move this down a little bit. And then I have these three views already there. Now I just need the dimensions. So I can click on the dimensions, the annotation, model items. And click on this view. You can see that this is already selected, this view as well. And instead of the features, I want to have the entire model. Everything, the dimensions and the both dimensions, marked dimension and not marked dimension, they are both there. So these two checked, and now all the dimensions are shown. And then now I just have to move them around to make sure they are cleaner, to match this drawing. So I can do the same thing as I have in Inventor. And then I can move this. So for some dimensions like this, you can remove this. In this case, I can reapply them. So I can remove this and then I can reapply them by using this Smart Dimension. And click, and then I can apply another one in here. So now, and then I can move the dimensions in here. So I can just move a little bit more. So assume these are the dimensions that on the drawing, and now I can just, the last thing I have to do is to fill this title block. So to fill the title block, you have to go to File, Properties, Custom. Now in here, you can actually click on each one of them. And you can say, let's see, the drawn by. It will be a text. So I can say this is my initial, and then I can have the dates, check the drawn date. I can have the dates, actually I can know in here. So dates, that will be 33126, and then you can have the part number, you can have revision number, you can have more item in here. So let's say the part number or the revision, maybe A, revision A, let's say this is an A. So you can keep on adding these information in the title block. When this is okay, so all these will be populated. And this is how you create a drawing in Inventor, in SolidWorks. So, and then I can save the drawing, and I can either export it in PDF if I want to, or save the drawing in here. So this is how you would do the drawing in SolidWorks.